Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about the good news coming from the Oxford University about COVID-19 vaccine and how they are planned to launch 300 million shots of vaccine for India by this November. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the notification icon. AstraZeneca, the pharmaceutical company, had experimented the COVID-19 vaccine which is being developed at the Oxford University has been found the safe and able to produce the immune response, meaning the antibodies in the early stage of the clinical trials in the healthy volunteers. However, it is important to remember that it is only in the early phase and the third clinical trial had yet to be conducted. So it is the kind of risk taken by the Pune-based Serum Institute, which is now partnered with AstraZeneca and now with Oxford University to manufacture the vaccine in India. This all information given by the CEO of Serum Institute, Adhar Poonawalla. According to the Oxford University, the early phase has established safely and have no side effect and reaction was observed from the patients, except very few, just like headache and fever, which can be easily treated with paracetamol. But how actually this vaccine will be safe and able to use will be seen in the phase 3. The phase 3 trial is already started in many places, but in India it is planned to be started in August, and the result of this phase will be concluded by October or November. All the clinical trial phases are done on the several thousand of people. But for the phase 3 trial, the Oxford University has decided to take the 10,000 patients, which will be the half from the India and half from the UK. The Serum Institute claims that they are able to produce 700 to 800 million doses annually with upcoming 4 months. The institute has planned to produce 300 million doses and they will increase it further. Serum Institute has decided that just like other vaccine, it will be also cost just a few dollars. They will going to manufacture and give the supply to the government of India, which will further regulate and distribute this COVID vaccine in very fair manner. The CEO of the Serum Institute has added that there will be no citizenship required to get this vaccine. Maybe the government of India will make it available to free of cost for all the peoples. Serum Institute going to spend $200 million on OPEX and CAPEX to buying all the raw materials from the Astra and Zeneca products. They are taking just a big risk. It's a kind of betting. Because if the trial will fail, they will lose around $200 million, which is a huge amount of money in Indian rupees. Serum Institute taking this risk just on the base of the commitment done by the Oxford University and their clinical trials. So it will be just a hope to get the vaccine till the end of this year. So that's all for today. I hope you may like this video. I really appreciate your time.